Hello everybody! How are you?
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
If you're still watching our channel.
Everybody watching.
Oh, so many people. Who? I feel like a superstar.
I know. So, my name is Miki. I'm from Japan. I'm doing volunteering in CARP. And
My name is Gabriela. I'm from Romania and I'm doing volunteering in CARP.
yes, so today we are back here, and then we want to talk about how important it is to make a good conversation. Yes.
And we prepared a small quote said by Bill Nye. It says that everyone you will ever meet knows something you don't. And this is why it's important to have this ability to listen well. It can help you learn something new and something that can help you in your own life to learn from someone else's experience.
That's true. Also, from the previous video, when we talked about friendship, yeah, and Gabriela was mentioning about this give and take action, right? So, like, give well and also receive well, and then giving back again very well. So, this applies also in the conversation. So, in order to make a good conversation, first of all, we need to have this mindset that being interested to other person to listen. That's why he said that maybe or surely he has something that I don't know, I don't have. Then with this mindset, really you can be interested about what he or she talking.
If you're willing to learn something from the other people.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is very important. And I want to ask you, Gabriela, if you have experience of having really good conversation, like when you felt really inspired by this conversation.
No,
Or maybe now.
Yes, I have also friends, and most of the time the best conversations are the ones in which the other person can listen well. So I can feel they're engaged and they're interested about what I'm saying, and maybe they ask some details, or I can see they're following me, what I'm saying. So then really helps me take out what I want to share, and then if we both have the same attitude, it's easier to make order in my own mind, and then together with the other person build the idea better.
Yeah, that's right. For me, the same also. When another person listens to me well, and then how she responds to me, like exactly how I thought or how I felt, then already, she listened to me very well, So this kind of conversation is really helpful. Yeah, I really like this. How can I say this? Sparkly eyes to each other. Yes. So as we shared, like when we make conversation, listening is the most important. Yeah.
And one nice quote about this is by Stephen Corey, and he said that most of us don't listen with the intent to understand, but we listen with intent to reply. This is a bad habit we can have in a conversation. As the person is speaking, already I'm building my own sentence, what I want to say back, and this stops me from listening well and then getting something from the other person. So we should be able to think about the other person and what he's going through and what he wants to say in the moment he is talking. What can I learn from this person?
That's right. This making good conversation, I was studying several times, and some really I'm still applying this rule, is that one is to be present. Really be in this conversation without thinking what to eat for dinner, or how about my daughter. Yeah, really be in this conversation. And the second one is like let it go. So like Even though when we listen to others, sometimes some idea or some thoughts or some image come in your mind, right? And that time, if you focus on that one, then you are not already in the present, in the conversation. Yeah. So this thought, I'm trying to let it go. And then I'm trying to focus on what she says, yeah, when we make a conversation. Example of cat. Like for example, Gabriela is sharing to me, telling me that how cute is her cat, yeah? She saw some cat very cute. And while she's telling me, I have this mind, but in my neighbor also I have some cute cat. I want to say this one, yeah? Then already in my mind, I'm not focusing anymore to your conversation. I'm focusing on my cat, right?
Yeah.
So this one is really helped me to make really good conversation since when I apply this rule in my conversation, how I listen.
So people want to come to Miki because she listens well and they talk a lot. And they're like, oh, we had such good conversation. They feel, oh, Miki can listen to me.
I talk too. Yes, so actually that's why today I want to make this week, 7 days, challenging week, that I want you to have really good conversation. And maybe with your friend, maybe with your boss, maybe with your family members or your colleagues, anybody. Like, please try to listen to this person very well. You can try to apply this rule and then tell me if you succeed. And then please let us know in the comments below how your challenge goes in this week. And then we hope that we can see a lot of successful stories.
Don't let us be alone. Please comment. Yes, I didn't do, I don't want to do, I don't like, I like.
Yes, you can tell us. You can be free to talk about it. Okay, then good luck with this 7-day challenge to make a good conversation. And then we will see each other next week. Yes,
Take care.
bye.